A Solitaire cache loading screen stuck at 99% usually means the app has started loading but cannot finish the connection or game data request. You can usually troubleshoot it without deleting your account or reinstalling the app again. The key is to check the connection, restart the app completely, and then clear the app's temporary data if your device allows it. First, completely close Solitaire cache instead of leaving it running in the background. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Solitaire cache away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the app away. Then launch Solitaire cache again and check whether the loading screen moves past 99%. If it still stops there, test your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, and reopen Solitaire cache. If the game loads on one connection but not the other, the problem is more likely related to the network rather than the app itself. Next, restart your phone. This clears temporary system processes that can interfere with an app that is stuck during startup. If you're using Android, go to Settings, Apps, Solitaire Cache, Storage, and look for the option to clear the cache. Clear the cache first, rather than clearing the app storage. Then open Solitaire Cache again. On iPhone, there is no general clear cache button for individual apps. If restarting the phone does not help, check the App Store for an available Solitaire cache update. An outdated app version can cause loading problems when the service is changed. If the app still stays at 99%, check whether other parts of Solitaire cache are also failing. If the store, tournaments, account information, or other online features are unavailable, the issue may be on the service side rather than your phone. Avoid repeatedly reinstalling the app if you are worried about account progress. Before removing the app, make sure you know which login method or account credentials you use for Solitaire cache so you can access the same account afterward. So the practical order is simple. Force close Solitaire cache, change your internet connection, restart the phone, clear the Android cache if applicable, and check for an app update. If every other app works normally but Solitaire cache remains stuck at 99%, contact Solitaire cache support and include your device type, operating system version, and a description of exactly where the loading process stops. Try those steps in that order before reinstalling the app. If this fixed your loading screen, like the video, and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.